Today in court, Doris Williams pleaded guilty to retail fraud in the third degree. She admitted placing medicines in her purse and leaving without paying. The judge confirmed that she understood all her rights and accepted her plea. Sentencing is scheduled for December 2nd, 2025 before Judge Valvo.
We have a resolution for her to plead guilty to an added count 2. I apologize, Judge.
It is on you. Have done in his community, whether she's racial.
I have a form that indicates that she's going to plead guilty to an added count to a retail fraud third degree, the 93-day offense. Upon her successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed. That's the court's full understanding of the agreement.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's correct.
All right. Ma'am, Ms. Williams, can you raise your right hand to be sworn?
Yes,
Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
yes.
All right, state your name for me.
Doris Williams.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Okay, ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of retail fraud in the third degree. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. The fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $500, that becomes the maximum fine. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. You also understand, ma'am, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Valvo in the 15th District Court.
Yes, I understand.
All right. Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
All right. And to the charge of retail fraud third degree, how do you plead?
Guilty.
All right. You understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes,
You went over an advice of rights form with your attorney and they signed it on your behalf. Is that correct?
exactly. Yes.
All right. Do you have any questions regarding those rights?
No, sir.
All right. You understand that you're giving up those rights, especially your trial rights, which are contained in paragraph 5.
Yes, I do.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Okay. Are you on probation or parole?
No, sir.
All right. Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated today here on the record to get you to plead guilty to this charge?
No, sir.
Has anybody threatened you or coerced you in any way?
No, sir.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes.
And also because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes, sir, I am.
It's crazy. Okay. On the date of February 13, 2025, at 2020 Green Road, that being the Bushes, what'd you do on that date that makes you think that you're guilty?
I put some medicines in my purse without paying and I left the store.
The court dismissed count 1 after accepting the guilty plea. This offense carries up to 93 days in jail and a $500 fine or 3 times the value of the item. Bond will continue, and a pre-sentence investigation was ordered. Doris will return for sentencing on December 2nd at 9 a.m.
No.
And these items you took, they were items that Bush's was offering for sale?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I do have to advise you that when I accept your plea, if between the time of my acceptance of your plea and the time of sentencing, you were to commit misconduct as defined by the Michigan court rules, that the court would no longer be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation, and you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea. You understand that, ma'am?
Understand.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court rule?
Defense is satisfied.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 15th District Court probation. Sentencing will be
December 2nd at 9 a.m. with Judge Valvo.
December 2nd, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Valvo. Bond will continue. All right, ma'am?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ms. Williams.
You have a good day.
You do the same.
Thank you.
Court calls the case. People.